Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open up the trunk. There's a trim panel here that needs to be pulled away to get to the bulbs. Use a flat-bladed screwdriver. Unscrew this clip. They kind of just come loosely out. They're just threaded, and then you just kind of wiggle them out like that. There's another one just like that up here. Might have to pry it out a little bit. There we go. So the middle comes out, you can just thread it back in. So this carpeted part needs to come out from here. It's also underneath this plastic trim part. You can actually lift this up a little bit. I'm just going to pull this up, it's clipped in. I'll pop it right out. Just going to put that aside. I'll pull this back. And all of our bulbs can be accessed from the back here. This top one, it's a brake light bulb. Turn it counterclockwise to unlock it, pull it right out. It's a 7443. Change it, you just pull it straight out. Plug it right back in. These you don't have to, you can touch with bare hands. It's not too big a deal. Just kind of find the little lugs for the connector for the socket, and then turn it clockwise to lock it. You go for the backup light bulb. It's the one here closest to the trunk opening. You're gonna kind of reach your fingers in here, turn it counterclockwise. There it is. So you have to reach in with your fingertips, pull it straight out. This is a 7440. It's a single filament bulb. Just pull it straight out. Put it right back in. Find the opening. Kind of feel for it. Turn it clockwise. It'll snap into place. Turn signal bulb is over here. Turn it counterclockwise to unlock it. Roll it out of there. So this is an amber, it's a WY21W. And pull it straight out. Put it right back in. Roll it up and over. And this will be the exact same thing for the opposite side. Place, line it up, turn it clockwise, it'll snap into place. You can put this cover back now, this carpet. It's going to go underneath the weather seal, so kind of fold this up with your fingertips. Just sort of do that right along the edge, push that into place. Trunk trim. So there's a tab here. It's going to slide into this opening here. Bring it all the way over. It'll clip into place. That will go back there. Reinstall these clips. Push them right into place. Might not need to be screwed in. Do the same for this one. Job is complete.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.